Good morning, everyone. It's your boy Shoge. Okay, so I just woke up and I felt maybe this might be the beginning of something. I've always have this thought to give out content because one of my best social media is YouTube. So I've always have this intention to give back to the community, to create something. And I feel maybe this is me starting a vlog. I'm not sure yet, but I hope I have the inspiration and ginger to start. Today we have an amazing couple. They'll be having their wedding next month. Yeah, and we'll be shooting that pre-wedding today in Lagos. So I'll be traveling to Lagos today. I hope the whole journey is going to be a very interesting one. We hope to leave early so I can pick some of my guys just around, and then we'll travel together. This is my view. This morning, today is looking brighter than it is because the phone is trying to, complement for the exposure. But then, this is it. Hi guys, so we are all set to travel. I'm ready, and I'll be picking up two other of my friends up. So I'm trying to go early. This is around 7 now, so we can get to Lagos early. I don't want to drive rushing, knowing that there's a deadline to meet. I want to go gently, without no worries. So peace out. See you when we see you. Okay, I love that.
Good morning, boss.
How you doing? Good morning. Good morning.
Come inside and sit down.
Sadly guys, at the moment of posting this video, I lost a dear friend, Kote. This video are some of the last memories we shared together, which are going to be forever green in my heart. May his soul rest in peace. Amen.
Good
morning, boss.
How you doing now?
Very fine.
Someone put it on and keep the sign.
In 400 meters, turn right.
We got into the location. So we are at the location right now, and we want to just check around to know where and where we're going to use. Taking us around right now, so let's see how it's going to go. Okay. Alright. So they said this piano here. Okay. Can you see? Yeah, but I don't like the colors of the wall. Let's go.
Yeah, the color is fine.
So yeah, we'll try that. So let's move around. Alright.
Oh, you don't allow cameras? Okay.
spa. This gym, very nice.
So I'm like on the ninth floor right now.
Okay, that one I like. Oh, shoot against the sky. Let's shoot against the sky. Let's shoot against the sky. Okay. Stand over there, Sha.
Yeah, I can swim.
Yeah, that view.
I don't
But
believe I don't swim.
you pay money to swim, man. Okay. Look at the whole of Lagos.
Look at the view from that side. You would fully love it.
Okay, let me check it out. But the only thing about this thing is, this demarcation is high. It's too high for me to see. I want to capture a lot of things. Okay. Look at the whole of. That's giddy. That's giddy. Alright, so we got here around 10:15. The appointment is supposed to start around 10, but then we waited and waited. No, ladies and makeup now, sure you get. So I think it's around, what's the time now? What's the time? 11:37. So this is 11:37 and we're about to set up and we're about to get started. So it's time to set up our equipment. This is going right there as the field lights.
Let's make it very natural, please. Very natural, please. The ring, yeah, the ring.
Now, can we bring it this closer?
Thank you very much.
So you have to bring your head down a little bit. Yeah, good. Alright, sweet.
Sweet.
I really like that your own.
So we're done with location 1, going to location 2. So, yeah, it was fun. Yeah, that was fun anyway. So we're moving. Location 2.
Location 2.
And this one is in their room. You know, so we're done shooting outside. So
Before we just hold the locations that we have.
going floor
The
9.
locations that we have.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, are they moving their, is it the next outfit now?
Yeah, the next outfit.
I thought they want to go and use the outfit again.
No,
No.
next outfit. Yeah. Thank you. You just both of you in the room. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Opo, yeah. Opo, Opa. Yeah.
How about whisper in his ear? Like she will whisper in his ear. Like this thing, you can do.
Okay. Alright, that's fine. I think we're good. Alright, so thank you. We're done with today's shoot. We're done. Yeah, so it was a very good one. I'm kind of really sorry because we're not able to show you a lot of things that was happening behind the scene because we're all so busy doing one or two. But then Emma managed with us. So want to go find one or two to eat, and that's it.
Me back.
Alright guys, so we are through today's shoot.
Yes, we are.
So it was fun. Let me see. How was it?
It was actually cool though. It was a new experience for me.
Okay. Kuti.
100.
Kuti shot it.
100.
So how was it?
100. It was fantabulous.
Alright. And
Fantastic.
our clients were ready to try new things.
Yes.
You know, they were very responsive. They were not like
Responsive,
Yeah.
innovative,
Yeah.
sharp,
Yes.
smart,
Not dull people.
Exactly.
They're not local, like all these.
fresh, colossal. See, colossal.
See the name,
Colossal.
It's not colossal.
See the name. Colossus. See the name. See the name. Colossus. See.
See, Colossus.
Okay, they see him. See him. Colossus.
Alright. So I don't know if you guys have eaten anyways, but I've not actually eaten anything.
Oh, it's only 2 minutes that I was eating
No,
that. And she's not
What's
eating
the
again.
time? What's the time now?
anything, no. I know anything.
What's the time?
The time is like
The line is
2:18.
1, 2.
Yeah, so it's 2:18
I'm not
and
eating.
I'm not
Like,
taking anything. So I should have branched to eat something on the road, but then we're trying to make the deadline. You know.
But I've even lost like 2 pounds right now.
Yeah, you mean to everything you ate this morning? 2 pounds.
I've lost like 2 pounds right now without eating, so it's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
So let's go get something to eat.
Yeah.
I know.
You're confirming.
Talk about chicken. No.
How do you do that?
So this guy is calling me. He's calling me saying, Dari, enter me. Dari, enter me. And I think I might. Yosh. I think I might.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Are you still alright? need to look at you. You need to see yourself. You look like a comic character, like.
The Chelsea thing. The Chelsea thing. The Chelsea thing.
I'm moving.
Come on, back to you. Thank God, oh, we won, yo. We won. The 1-0 was it? Like the one that very crucial 1-0. We won 1-0. That very crucial. It's very crucial. We're picking our pictures. There's a smile on our face. So cute. See the smile. Whoa.
Hi guys, good morning. It was a wonderful day yesterday. We could not travel back to Ibadan, so we had to lodge. And sorry I didn't really made much videos yesterday, but then it was good. And thank you all for watching to this extent. And you know, we are trying to head out to Ibadan as soon as possible because we don't want to get stuck in some Lagos traffic. So this is around after 6 and we plan on moving out 6:30. We slept early yesterday and it was like we were just waking up and sleeping. It was like this night no one finish after don't come. So finally, you're back in Ibadan.
Yes, sir.
It was a wonderful journey. Thank God. And I want to thank everybody. Woo! Tommy, say you guys were awesome.
Yes. We know, right?
And it was fun with you guys. Like it was real fun. Yeah. Thank you all.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Happy Sunday.
Yeah. Some other time. Yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah, you too. Hi guys, so I am finally home. I want to thank God for a wonderful trip to Lagos and back. I also want to thank God for a wonderful shoot. And I want to thank you all for watching and staying to this extent. Thank you all. Thank you very much. And to be sincere, I have no idea if I'm actually going to post this video. I have no idea if I'm going to edit it. But then, when you see this video, kindly appreciate me. Press the like button. Subscribe to my channel. It is new. YouTube has always been a social media that I really love. I appreciate, and I also want to be a contributor to the success of YouTube. I want to give back to the community because they've actually given me a lot. So this is me trying my best, and I hope I'm going to keep pushing, keep bringing new content to you every day, every week. Thank you very much. I need to go freshen up, and thank you. Love you all. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.